Radhika, your chachada ka bacha is still not here.
Hi.
मुझे किसी से नहीं.
Oof, just meet him once, yeah. Let me tell you, Vijay is very funny.
Vijay, at least his name is.
Oof, come on, yeah. Vijay is such a cool name. Vijay.
Hi, a cool name. If we were in the 70s. By the way, is he a divorcee?
Shut up, yeah. बकवास मत कर. I'm telling you, he is hilarious.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
फिर तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलना. I'll just be laughing and giggling around. And he think that I'm a complete nutcase.
अरे chill. इतना भी funny नहीं है.
खुद श्योर है फनी है भी है.
अरे funny है, लेकिन इतना भी नहीं कि you'd fall off your chair laughing. I mean, you have a smile throughout the conversation. He's like, what do you say, the intelligent, funny kind of guy.
That's even worse.
अच्छा, कैसे?
He cracked his intelligent jokes. Some I get and some I just have to smile to save myself from the embarrassment of asking him to explain the joke or hidden sarcasm or whatever. And mind you, there's a big chance that the joke he cracked might not even be a joke in the first place. And I'll end up making a complete ass of myself. Can't you just set me up with some stupid guy?
तुझे खुद को पता है तू क्या बोल रही है?
Yeah, तेरे friends ना एकदम super intelligent होते तेरे types. I don't know how we became friends. चल come for a coffee.
अरे calm down, will you? It's just a date.
Yeah, I think you're right. By the way, what have you told him about me?
I didn't have to tell him anything about you.
What does that mean? Radhika, what does that mean?
I mean, he saw that picture of you and me on WhatsApp and
what did he say?
he said that your smile is contagious.
See, that's exactly what I'm worried about.
And how does a compliment worry you?
He used a word like contagious just to describe my smile. I don't know what the hell I'm going to talk with this intelligent, funny kind of guy of yours.
Look,
Vijay Chachada, are you serious?
अरे उसके नाम का क्या करना है तुझे?
पर मैं विजय चचड़ा नाम की लड़की को सीरियसली कैसे लूं? Me, myself. Picture तो देखो सी, क्या पांडु है यार? Now I know what you meant when you said he's
हाँ
funny.
यार, डेट 2009 में अपलोड हुई थी यार. People change.
I hope you're right.
Are you going or not?
तो मानेगी नहीं ना? See, as long as he's not a serial killer, I don't think I need to worry about it.
Oof. Oh God, मुझे अभी जाना होगा. आज ऑफिस जल्दी पहुंचना, okay? Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Radhika, your chachada ka bacha is still not here.
Hey, Payal, right?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Vijay.
Are you a serial killer?
What? Serial killer?
Sorry, forget I said that.
By the way, how many murders does it take to become a serial killer?
I didn't mean that, I'm sorry.
No, I'm asking, seriously.
I don't know, 5 I guess?
Oh, not there yet. So, Payal, what would you like to have?
Coffee.
Cold?
Actually, cappuccino.
Anything to eat?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure? Cause I'm starving. Or is there a true that girls don't like to eat on a date?
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, just a myth.
Excuse me. एक club sandwich और एक cappuccino. So, Payal, I hope Radhika didn't push you for this date.
No, nothing like that happened.
That's a bit hard to believe.
Why?
Because my friends have oversold me in the past to set me up with someone.
I don't think you need overselling.
So Radhika didn't say I'm funny? She did, didn't she?
Yeah, she happened to mention it by the way.
Is that a fact?
Pretty much.
I want to believe you.
Believe it or not, it's your choice.
Okay, so apparently you were not oversold either.
So we both are on the same page then.
I like that.
Me too.
Did anyone ever tell you how cute your smile is?
I seem to recall the word contagious being used. So, Vijay, architecture, huh?
Yeah.
The ceiling of my flat has been leaking ever since I moved in. Damn you architects.
You know the same thing's happening with my bank accounts? Damn you CS. So, boyfriends?
You on the count?
Yeah, sure. You know you can borrow my fingers if you want.
No, I was just kidding. I had two. What about you?
Just one.
Heartbroken ever since.
Yeah, you know I recently checked out of an asylum and I miss that place, you know. Especially the shock therapies. It was so much fun. Sandwich looks great. Payal, you sure you're not hungry?
No, I'm good, don't worry.
Alright.
So, what's the story behind your name?
Sounds like a 50-year-old na. But my dad, huge Bachchan fan. अब सरनेम का तो मेरे डैड भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
No, it's quite cool actually.
Is it?
Yeah. So, what do you do in your pastime?
Pastime? Nothing much. I love gymming though.
Gymming? Really?
Hey, I have been gymming regularly for the past 3 days now. What about you?
I like to read. Sometimes I go through Facebook when I have time.
Facebook. Last time I logged in, I remember it was 2009. What?
No, nothing.
So Payal, I hope you're not getting late.
No, not at all.
So, anything else you want to ask?
Is this an interview?
I didn't mean it that way.
So what's the hurry then? Isn't it much more fun to know each other gradually?
But that usually takes a lot of time.
So I guess you are the one who's getting late, huh?
So, let's leave.
Yeah, sure.
Oh shit, I forgot something. I'll be back in a moment.
Sure, I'll be waiting.
Alright, let's go.
Got what you left?
Yes. So, where do you live?
Close by.
Mind if I walk you home?
Not at all.
This is where I live.
So I guess our date is officially over now.
Yeah, I had a great
Me
time.
too. By the way, this is for you.
What is this?
Open it. I don't understand why girls don't eat on a date. Bye.